Goddamn. How many more motherfucking penitentiaries y'all gonna build? How many jars you gonna try to put us in? You know what I'm saying?
Killer Cali is a state murder. Killer Cali is a state murder. Killer Cali is a state murder. Killer Cali is a state murder.
Can't none of y'all niggas fuck with none of these niggas. These triggers, we's killers. Sitting on the porch, in between legs with a bitch French braid in my head. Now, I leave them in till they matted. Four-arm tatted. What's the connection, bitch? You looking at it. It don't stop. I hit more licks than it takes to get to the center of a blow pop. And it's gonna take a miracle to drive a car this color down Imperial. Yeah, I got heart, but ain't trying to see Marsha Clark. So let's wait till it get dark. So many falls parked in my gate. It's like the International House of Pancakes. All on the grass, every bitch pass. I'm first, not last when we all hit the ass.
Ya.